Do you know why people don't always understand you when you speak English, even though your grammar is great? It's not your vocabulary. It's not your grammar. It's your pronunciation. And today, we're gonna fix that together. Trust me, you're going to love this. Welcome back to Learn English with Ethan. If you really want to sound confident and clear when speaking English, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every week we help you level up your English with easy, fun lessons. Let's do this. Here's the truth. Most learners study grammar for years. They memorize thousands of words, but when they open their mouth, people still say, "Sorry? Can you repeat that? Sounds familiar?" Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'll give you the top tricks to master pronunciation so people understand you the first time, every time. First trick, slow down. Most learners think speaking fast equals speaking fluently. Wrong. Native speakers don't care about speed, they care about clarity. So instead of saying, "What do you want to do?" super fast, try, "What do you want to do?" Nice and clear. See the difference? Clear beats fast every time.
English is a music language. It has rhythm. Some words are stressed, some are not. For example, I want to eat some pizza. If you stress every word equally, you sound like a robot. But with rhythm, you sound natural. Let's try together. Say it with me. I want to eat some pizza. Perfect. And yes, I know you're hungry now. Sorry, I just made you think about pizza. But hey, at least you'll never forget the stress pattern, right? Next trick, your mouth is the real hero. If your mouth is lazy, your pronunciation will be lazy. Try this. Put your hand in front of your mouth and say, think. Feel the air? That's how you know you're pronouncing the TH correctly. Now try sink. Different, right? One small change in your tongue position makes a big difference. Record yourself right now and compare. Think versus sink. Post it in the comments if you're brave.
First trick, slow down. Most learners think speaking fast equals speaking fluently. Wrong. Native speakers don't care about speed, they care about clarity. So instead of saying, "What do you want to do?" super fast, try, "What do you want to do?" Nice and clear. See the difference? Clear beats fast every time.
Yes, your family might think you're crazy, but you'll be the crazy one who speaks perfect English. Quick challenge for you. In the comments, write one English sentence you'll practice out loud today. I'll check them and give you feedback. So let's recap. Slow down, use stress and rhythm, pay attention to mouth position, shadow native speakers, and practice out loud. If you follow these tricks, your pronunciation will transform and people will finally understand you clearly. Don't stop here. Subscribe to Learn English with Ethan, hit the like button, and share this video with a friend who needs help. Remember, clear English equals confident English, and you deserve to sound confident. Imagine this. The next time you speak English, people don't ask what? They say, "Wow, your English is amazing." That future starts right here, right now. Let's go.